Capsicum. Capsicums, available in a multitude of colors, are an excellent source of vitamins A and C. This versatile vegetable can be stuffed, roasted, used in stir-fries or simply eaten raw. In Victoria, capsicums are at their peak between March and November. Why capsicum is good to eat. Capsicums are an excellent source of vitamin A and C. Red contain more than green capsicums. They are also a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin E, B6 and folate. The sweetness of capsicums is due to the natural sugars. Green capsicums have less sugar than red capsicums. Energy: 100 grams of green capsicum supplies 90 kilojoules, 105 kilojoules from red capsicum. Choosing capsicum. When choosing capsicums, you should select ones with firm, glossy skins. Avoid those with shriveled skins, soft spots or other visible damage. How to store and keep capsicum. Store capsicums in the crisper section of your fridge. Ordinary plastic bags cause capsicums to sweat, so only use fridge storage bags. Capsicum should be used within 5 days. Nutrition facts. Fresh, raw bell peppers are mainly composed of water, 92%. The rest is carbs and small amounts of protein and fat. The main nutrients in 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of raw red bell peppers are one trusted source. Calories: 31. Water: 92%. Protein: 1 gram. Carbs: 6 grams. Sugar: 4.2 grams. Fiber: 2.1 grams. Fat: 0.3 grams. Bell peppers are very high in vitamin C, with a single one providing up to 169% of the RDI. Other vitamins and minerals in bell peppers include vitamin K1, vitamin E, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Like other fruits and vegetables, bell peppers may have many health benefits. These include improved eye health and reduced risk of anemia.